Welcome to Tuesday's 2 cents worth. Getting ready for your big move? You want to make sure you let the following know about your new address. First, of course, is the post office. You can do it online at usps.com/move for a small fee, or stop in and do it in person. Update your voter registration at myvote.wi.gov. Notify all your banks, credit card companies, and your insurance company of your new address. Let your employer know your new address too. You don't want paycheck, benefit info, or tax information going to the wrong place. If you're enrolled in TSA PreCheck, update your address to keep your membership valid. You can call 855-347-8371 to change your address. So often, when one of our clients moves into their new home, they continue to get packages for the former owners. Change your address for delivery on Amazon, Target, Sephora, or any other places that you order from frequently. Also, remember, if you belong to any subscription services like BarkBox, Stitch Fix, or any others, please notify those companies. Those boxes are way too expensive to be lost on someone else's doorstep. So finding the perfect house, getting the accepted offer, going to closing, packing up all your stuff isn't all there is to a smooth move. Just give us a call. Travis and I are here to help every step of the way. Thanks for tuning in to Tuesday's 2 cents worth. This is Sue Derby from Shorewest Realtors, your local realtor ready to work hard for you. And if you find out these Tuesday videos helpful, please hit subscribe.